to win? Mate, fucking sick.
That's where the middle barrel is anyway, isn't it?
Yeah, in the middle corridor. Right, let's just sprint it.
2, 1.
Shut up, clock in and load up.
Ah! Go on, Nave.
Yeah. Come on, on my ass.
On your ass? Alright, I'm on you. Let's go. Let's go. I'm on your ass. It worked. Okay, now well.
Well done.
Come on, let's push this door. Yeah, that's right. Just use me as a meat shield. Lovely throw.
Waiting on your goal.
I'm not been hit, dude. I've not been hit. I'm telling you, I've not been hit. Hit. Do you know what? Honestly, dude, nice one. Honestly, every time you were chucking a grenade here, I was back behind cover on this bit. Mate, fair fucking play, guys. Honestly, nice one. Nice one. Take care. Have a good one. Walk and shoot! Oh, hell yeah, my man's slide cancelling.
I was just about to do it as well then. You watched him do that as well.
I did watch him do that, it's quite funny.
No, to be fair, he gets the camera over now.
You want to shoot someone down?
I got an idea.
Yeah. Oh, God.
Yeah! Oh, I go on! Right, I'm going! Belly forward, lads! Ah.
Oh, you got the other guy as well?
I got him. Yeah.
Jeez! Run! 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 Oh, shit! Oh, shit! Oh, shit! Oh, go on without me! Fuck. Oh, shit! Yeah, I'm good, just go without me! Oh, mush! Go. Right, yeah, let's just go early! Early! Mate, I'm reloading, bro!
How many? I couldn't see. We clear this way?
Go on! Fire and move, all together. Fire and move, all of us, fire and move. Come on, lads! Hit! Hit! 1 0.
Yeah, you've got the old target.
Right, don't peek it. You get him.
Any snipers around?
Yeah, what Easter egg quest do you have to do to get that unlocked? So what Easter egg did you do to get that?
We just looked at stuff, was like, yeah, no.
Go on. Watch out. Go for it now.
Got him.
Right, let's go. Let's go. Come on, lads. Let's go. All of us together as one. Let's go. Go. Ah! Hit. Watch out, right door, lads. Watch it. Oh, my neck. Fuck. Oh. Watch the door get slammed in the throat.
Greg, there's your pistol. Unless you need it.
No,
Good. Is he still in the corner?
No, go on.
Let's go. Let's get in the tunnel, lads!
Break yourself! Oh god, it's unsafety! It was unsafe.
You have a pistol at the garage for 5 seconds?
I ain't got anything, mate. Take my main.
Yeah, good shot!
Yeah, give us a shot. I'll look after that.
There's nothing in it.
That's alright, I'll look scary. Oh yeah. Go on, lads, let's go. Come on, keep the push going. What the fuck is that? Greg, you know where that guy was on the left?
Yeah.
Let's just beeline it. If we die, we'll just come back. Let's just get him out, yeah? Let's fucking go. Hit. Oh, hit. Oh, hit. Oh, I'm getting seasoned here.
I'm getting seasoned.
Oh, hit. Woo.
Friday.
I don't know, man.
Just tell me.
Got fucking overrunning that man.
Did you?
Literally, so I was up there, I stopped a couple of them coming up, and I realised, so 4 of them come running up,
Really?
me down. I shout at the back of the bus, any yellows? No one. I hear one come in the bottom, so I just lay down and get on the, watch the stairs for the rest of the game. Did they win?
We won, yeah, we won.
We won.